Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by. I've had a couple of people hit me up and ask me how I go about cleaning my glass cooktop. So I figured I'd do a quick tutorial on how to do deep cleaning on the cooktop, which you'll only have to do maybe once every 3 months or so. I use a couple of cleaning products that you likely will want to pick up, one of which is standard 409. Everybody grew up with this product. We want to use it because it works. It simply works. Number two, I'll use a cooktop cleaner. This cleaner is created by a company called Rust-Oleum. If you've done outdoor projects, you've likely heard of Rust-Oleum. I chose this because Rust-Oleum has been a product creator that I've used in the past to good effect. So, stick with what you know. I use a razor blade to take the large stuff off that is still remaining there after you wipe it down with hot water. So we will get into how we use each of these. Of course, I use a microfiber cloth. They say not to use wood products, so paper towels. I'm not going to tell you not to use paper towels because I've used paper towels in the past and I haven't seen a problem. So if paper towels are your flavor, then knock yourself out. I have a bundle of these that I got from Home Depot, so use them up. Bundle of the razor blades, use them up. We'll use hot water and a sponge. Do not use the Scotch-Brite side of the sponge. It will scratch your surface. Ask me how I know and I will just tell you I don't want to talk about it. Okay, first thing we're going to do is clean off the top. We're going to use some hot water and a sponge. And this is just getting the bulk stuff, Okay, 409 is going on. This will take off the grease and any of the other big bits. And even that's pretty close. Hopefully you can see how it's stained. And this one has some staining, but the other one's not so bad because I keep those clean. Step 2, we're going to take off the large bits of food that the 409 didn't get to. And we'll take our razor blade. Now, as I scrape this, the clean glass that nothing gets baked into is nice and smooth. When I hit the staining, you can hear it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of pressure. I'm not going to try to dig it in, but I'm just going to put a pound of pressure on that. Do one last spray down with the 409 on that area just to make sure it's all clean. All right, looks good. Okay, so here's the portion of our little project that I want to implore you to be patient. I would recommend people using a cloth towel. Add some of that stuff, some of the paste to your towel. Through the magic of editing, we're going to speed this along so you don't get bored as hell. All right, here we go. Let's see what our results are after 5 minutes of diligently polishing. Look at that, basically brand new. And you're squared away for the next 3 months or better. There's your motivation right there. Well, that looks great, no problem. So hopefully you can see the finished product there. There is very smooth and clean, but these are looking virtually brand new.